right. No.
House with water. I'm gonna get a house with light.
Hey guys, welcome to Xia and Maesun. Today we're at the pool for our swimming lessons.
If you never swim before, subscribe.
And if you swam before, like. And before you go in the pool, the gears that you need is for girls is your bikini or your two-piece swimming suit, and you of course need your swimming cap and your goggles.
And for boys, you need your swimming trunks and your swimsuit and your goggles.
Well, some boys wear a swimming cap, but not all boys need it. It's not too necessary.
But sometimes boys want to make their style wet.
Yeah, but we can't forget our sunscreen. It's literally very hot out here.
Yeah, you will burn to us.
What we got on the water,
See that? Yeah, they have it. That happens, right? You see how no problem.
ready for swimming.
Yes, check it out. Keep your knees all the way to the wall, all the way to the wall. All the way, all the way, all the way. Then you can climb up. Now, what's that before this is released? Now we get some cards, man.
I'm stressed on.
I don't want to be in this, so we come here. Climbing up, climbing up, climbing up, guys. And your turn is you. Turn. 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 Remember you're going back up. Remember it's 10 up there. And that was only 2. Turn. You want to die like a stretch the arms up over. Face down, blow the bubble. Yes, let me see them coming over. Key, get set. Once Masons get to the wall, you're going. Nice, mom. See, it's okay. And again. Hey, no. One rock circle. One. That one. Go back and forth. That one. Go back and forth. Go back and forth. That one. Go back and forth. Go back and forth. Go! Hey, I said one, not 2. One. That one. Overboard. That one. That one. That one. Hold the ball. One swim. Next one. Take them, please. Let's go. Wait. Let's leave it just stick those tiny toes. Yes, let me see them move it. Once he reaches the flag, you go, okay, man? Up, Mason. Start back playing and kick the legs. I was gonna start back over. Yes, I want to see big boy kick. No.
Just ignore him. You will know when.
No, we're not, but it's garbage.
Wait, you're recording, right, tonight?
Just be careful, man.
I'm just talking.
Yes, that means you have to get set, Mason. Once your sister climb up, it's your turn to go. Face down, big swings, big swings, big swings. And you're not racing it. I don't want to see no racing. There you go, chin to chest, stretch the body out. Lean over, well down. All the way, blow the bubble, blow the bubble. Down, 1, 2, gently, you're not teaching the water. Gently. Relax, give me this one. Face down. Swing. See how it comes down? Relax. That one. There we go. And I'm not supposed to be seeing this. Remember, you gotta tell me everything you see on the floor. What you see on the floor when the board is pointing up, mister. Key, final 2. Yep. Go. Go. Up, pick a big red board out. Slow it down, Mason. Remember, you're not racing. Down with the face. Gently blow the bubble. 2 swings. 1, 2. Lift the face back up. Stretch it out, stretch it out, stretch it out. Nice.
1, 2.
Okay, guys. This is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure to subscribe and like this video. And make sure to watch the video there, and there. Bye.